Typhoon Bualoi has killed at least 11 people in Vietnam after sweeping through the central and northern regions overnight. State media reports hundreds of homes damaged or destroyed, roads flooded, power lines torn down, entire bridges washed away, leaving many communities cut off. Rescue teams are searching for at least 17 fishermen, missing after their boats were struck by massive waves. Nearly 30,000 people evacuated ahead of the storm. Bualoi made landfall Sunday night, with winds of up to 117 kilometers per hour. As it moved into neighbouring Laos, the storm weakened, but left behind widespread flooding and devastation. This comes just days after Super Typhoon Regasa, the strongest storm of 2025, killed at least 28 people in the Philippines and Taiwan, before hitting Hong Kong and southern China. Vietnam's Prime Minister has called for urgent rescue and relief efforts, as heavy rains are expected to continue. Some areas may face up to half a metre of rainfall in just a few days. Typhoon Bualoi had already claimed more than 20 lives in the Philippines before striking Vietnam, making this one of the deadliest storm weeks of the year so far.